Best security and privacy apps. Number 1. Signal. The top-rated security and privacy app allows the users to send private messages hidden from plain sight in end-to-end encryption from one app user to another. The app identifies the users and then makes the communication. Best for message encryption. Number 2. LastPass. The app allows the user to create a stronger password that will guard the sensitive data from intruders and hackers online. The information can be synced with other devices with the help of easy-to-use and friendly interface. Best for password protection. Number 3. Avast Mobile Security. The best-known antivirus provider for the computer is also providing security and privacy for cell phone users. This app allows the users to make phone calls and send end-to-end encrypted communication packets. Best for antivirus. Number 4. 1Password. The best password protection app on the internet allows the users to keep track of the security and strength of the password on various apps and files. There are security features that protect your sensitive data from intruders. Best for password protection. Number 5. Orbit. When you want to save your identity online and keep the personal data at bay while surfing the internet, this app allows you the ultimate control over your privacy from the data fetchers online. Best for safe browsing.